The World Heavyweight Championship match. Dolph Ziggler getting a massive ovation. No Big E and AJ. World War Z. Ziggler or Ziggler. What?
The JBO and Cole Show. Eric Shane's Fallout, WWE Inbox, and outside the ring, there's a load of classic.
Ziggler. Give him a shoot.
1.5 million subscribers and 500 million views. Go to WWE's YouTube page and check it out. And like that, it's off as a show there. Well, right? The JBO and Cole Show is my favorite.
Rio!
Introducing first, the challenger from Hollywood, Florida, weighing in at 213 pounds, Dolph Ziggler. And his opponent, San Luis, weighing in at two-weight champion, Alberto Del Rio.
Del Rio, Pan American gold medalist. What if Mexico could afford to send him in down in Australia? Ziggler chance ringing to the Wells Fargo Center.
Ziggler.
Victory here and a kick out by Del Rio. And the show-off is showing off.
Oh!
Dolph Ziggler said, I may be a lot of things, but I never claimed to be something I'm not. He said, I got a chip on my shoulder. I'm cocky and arrogant because I deliver. Can he deliver tonight? That's exactly what we're going to find out. Del Rio again, hard to kick out here this time. By Dolph. Certainly going against the great champion Alberto Del Rio. Del Rio nice kick out of Ziggler, looking to control the pace of the matchup. Del Rio needs to keep this slow. You know that's not going to happen. Del Rio has a mixed martial arts background and is native from Mexico.
Check, check.
Casing it up, quick speed in the side leg, champion two, stays alive.
Man, I don't know if I've ever seen anything as pretty as a drop kick like that.
No doubt, it's nice. You know, guys, you talk to anybody in the WWE locker room, Dolph Ziggler, they say they have the maybe the most talent, most potential. Look at Link here, Del Rio with a kick out.
Go Ziggler!
18,000. This is trademark Ziggler here.
4, 5,
Wearing his opponent down.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah! 10.
But can Ziggler capitalize? You're not going to win the world title out there. Yeah, the baseball work submission in the ring to win the world title tonight. Yeah, but Ziggler knows that.
I'm picking up every day.
No, she's
And the man got to come down here and check the meter.
What do you want me to do?
Help me dip this up and throw it.
Let's not forget, earlier on tonight we had the Money in the Bank ladder match for the World Championship contract. Damien Sandow, the new Mr. Money in the Bank. He, of course, in the building tonight, folks. Money in the Bank. All the criticism of the way he won the championship as we take another look, Jay. Watch and listen. And then... And Del Rio again. Ziggler hangs in there at 2. Del Rio claims that WWE fans never gave him the respect that he deserved. He said he fought for the entire WWE universe and they turned their back on him. I agree with him. I think that's exactly what happened. How exactly did the universe turn their back? Didn't show him the respect that he deserved. He's on the largest Royal Rumble in history. Champion, a 4-time Mexican champion, comes the greatest wrestling family in Mexican history, and people don't show him respect. What do you have to do to show him respect? I mean, I remember when he was the champion and he came out here, the fans stood on their feet, they cheered for him. How else are they going to show respect for this man? Golf him over the top, shoulders down to the champion who kicks it. I think he got the big hit. I don't think they cheered when they were on their feet. And Alberto Del Rio obviously thinks that as well. He's a smart man. I agree with him. Del Rio out of the way. And Ziggler bounced his head first off the turnbuckle. The audience was trying to be politically correct. That didn't get you anything, and Alberto Del Rio saw through it. Perhaps it was Del Rio who's trying to be
kick to the head.
trying to play up to the audience.
Remember Biggie Langston and AJ.
America, that is for in America. Del Rio is just trying to be a nice guy. What? He told McGree a minute ago how mean this guy was. He's smiling. No, he's aggressive. Not mean. And Alberto's the one doing the showing off. They're not getting away with it. 2, 3, 4. Mean or aggressive, however you want to call it, it's been effective. Alberto, it's enough. Get back to the ring. Now I guess the referee's not showing enough respect. World Heavyweight Champion, Alberto Del Rio. He is. Del Rio. His direct shot straight to the kidney will set up Ziggler for the backstab. Forget that Ziggler missed over a month of action with a serious concussion. The medical clearance was okay back up to the feet. Rio took advantage. He's showing off of his own now. He's mocking. Don't blame him. No. The wherewithal to duck out of the way. Now he buys himself some time and perhaps can switch the momentum. This is what Ziggler needs.
Dolph.
Count of 5, but remember, a count out doesn't help. Dolph Ziggler, he's got to pin the champ or get him to submit. Now Del Rio. Alberto could have stayed out for the count. That is what a great champion this Alberto Del Rio is. He didn't take the easy way out. That's why you respect a guy like this. I think he saw Ziggler was still stunned from the blow to the back of the head earlier on and wanted to take advantage. And now, Dolph Ziggler, quickly.
Oh! X Factor.
Now the Dolph as well. Take advantage. He grabs the leg and Del Rio at 2. Ziggler just didn't have enough to put his full weight of his body on the champ and allowed out Del Rio to stay alive. Watch this. Watch this face plant.
Alright, X Factor from the top rope.
Now, the slugfest begins. This is what they wanted to do this whole time. So remember when you said they want to keep this thing slow? Forget it. Del Rio shoulder first to the post. Let me go back and take one more look at this amazing move by Dolph Ziggler. Action. Roberto Del Rio, number 1 contender. Bring the champion right here. Oh, it's good. Dolph is a great athlete, but he's got to find a way to pin this champion or make him submit to become champion himself. Roberto Del Rio with a champion's advantage.
Famous sir. No! German!
Roberto doesn't have to pin Dolph or make him submit. He just has to survive to remain champion. How talented are both these men right now? Like I said, he's a fighting champion. He wants to beat Dolph. He's a better man. He almost got caught. Del Rio back. Ziggler to the corner. Ziggler over his game now. And the aggressive champion taking it to Dolph. Here's where Alberto Del Rio wants this match to be.
No Inseguri. Famous sir! Close! Close!
Oh, that was close. So close, and Dolph Ziggler knows it. Dolph thought he had it right there. That's a quick miss. So Dolph Ziggler, he was a championship just like that. Heartbreak. With Dolph Ziggler only 3 seconds away from losing. This is all for the prestigious World Heavyweight Championship. Held by the likes over the years of the great Lou Thesz and Harley Race. Backbreaker. Follow the leg. No frustration, mate. You better stay focused. You get frustrated like that, you make a mistake, it can cost you the championship. For months, these two men have been battling for the world title. What's Alberto gonna do? The wheels are turning. Dolph Ziggler a long way away. Del Rio thinks he's got to take a chance now. Here we go.
Drop kick! AJ? Here comes the cavalry, I guess.
There's AJ Lee, the new champ, but more importantly, Dolph Ziggler shows where he has no business out here. I think Dolph is wondering himself, what's she doing? What the heck she's doing out here? I don't dare speculate what AJ's thinking.
Focus! Do not focus on AJ. come on, come on. It's gonna happen. Ugh. Right in the turnbuckle. Come on. Oh! Kick to the face! Kick out.
Obviously frustrating.
USA champ. Just a foot. AJ. What just happened? What was that?
Your winner by disqualification and still World Heavyweight Champion, Alberto.
What was that? What was that?
AJ realized that
So you hit Del Rio with the title.
Wow. I can't either. Well, AJ obviously letting her emotions get the best of her tonight. Supposed to act crazy. I mean, call it what you want. I mean, oh, come on, wait. She doesn't look that crazy, does she? Compared to what? Bottom line is Del Rio's still the world champion. What a match, though.
Well, I guess there will be a rematch then for the World Championship. What was that? He had the title! You screwed Ziggler! Now the crowd is going saying,